Welcome to today's Chatter No Frills Tech News, where we talk about 5 key stories that move the industry today. Today we talk about GitHub Spark, Google's AI code, Figma's new search feature, Reddit's international growth, and designing for Gen Z. First up, GitHub. GitHub Spark, prompt to app. Is this the AI tool for the next billion developers? GitHub turns its data advantage as they host the world's code into a product. Spark creates highly personalized apps without coding based on a user's prompt. This empowers technical and non-technical entrepreneurs to create custom micro apps very quickly. Real-time previews enhance interactivity, and shareable Sparks make collaboration easy. However, Spark might be limited to simpler apps. Complex needs may not be met. And there's a high uncertainty about the path going forward due to limited support and a way to build apps beyond a simple prompt. With fierce competition from upstarts like Cursor AI and Devin to other prompt-to-app companies, GitHub's role might not be in the application layer, but rather as a data provider for model infrastructure. With that, let's turn the page to AI and Google's code. AI writes Google's code. Over 25% of Google's code is written by AI, Sundar Pichai says. Google is leveraging AI to write code with hopes of boosting productivity and efficiency. Generative AI models reduce time spent on boilerplate code, optimizing workflows. This helps engineers to focus on complex tasks and allowing faster deployments, while AI handles repetitive work. Concerns around code quality as well as copyright and security flaws arise if AI uses licensed or outdated code. AI-generated code may not be suited for complex, high-stakes projects, and Google may be overhyping AI's role in coding to appeal to shareholders. Most people assume that most of the code generated by AI is simply the autocomplete function, rather than sophisticated code. And with its upcoming release of Gemini 3.0, going head-to-head with ChatGPT's newest version, we will see if someone has a competitive advantage. Figma's new AI-powered search transforms design efficiency. 75% of all objects added to Figma's canvas are pulled from other files. Figma's AI search promises smoother, faster design by reusing existing assets efficiently. Think images, text boxes, etc. The new search helps designers quickly locate relevant past work, saving time and energy. Plus, visual search and semantic search provides quick-to-implement objects that fit the design context. But the risk of AI suggestions could cause design stagnation by repeatedly surfacing similar ideas. Moreover, productivity gains beyond tasks that are currently done via copy-paste are unclear. Through simplifying creation, the minimum bar quality should be raised. But for exceptional design that requires authenticity and originality, the impact of Figma search is yet to be seen. Next, Reddit. Reddit user growth is fueled by machine translation. Daily active users of Reddit averaged roughly 100 million, up 47% year over year. Machine translations is breaking down language barriers and attracting new users from around the world, particularly in France, of all places. Expansion into new languages and countries strengthens Reddit user diversity. Reddit achieved GAAP, or General Accounted Principles, profitability for the first time, demonstrating the success of its business model. However, AI-driven translations could pose risks if quality and contextual relevance are not consistently high. Fast expansion could dilute the company's culture that really defines Reddit's unique user experience. Reddit has been historically under-monetizing their user base compared to Meta and other companies. Seeing impressive growth, though, combined with their profitability, demonstrates financial health. Embrace authenticity. How to design for Gen Z skepticism. Gen Z prefers clear, concise content, but not necessarily short-form content. While traditional design advice for Gen Z focus on snackable content, authenticity and depth might be valued even more. Gen Z relies heavily on social proof and influencer recommendations, and overly simplified interfaces might not cater well to Gen Z's desire for control and customization. While large parts of Gen Z are mobile only, deprioritizing desktop design will alienate older demographics. Product design often neglects changed habits. For example, Gen Z searches on TikTok and YouTube before Google. Therefore, product Gen Zs as a target audience should prioritize features and content optimized for small screens.